Everybody's ready now?
We've all been waiting for this, right, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise if that's true right now.
So thank you so much, everybody. Please rise. Let's give them both a great welcome, and let's be a part of this special moment for both of them. So are you ready? All right, let's go. Let's give a big round of applause, everyone. And off my line of sight once more.
Come here. I feel like it's pretty obvious what's happening here.
Stop. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
After we first met, nothing really happened. One day, you were with Nidhi.
Yeah.
You guys went to Six Flags. She was on her way back to the city, and I picked her up from Secaucus Junction, and then we went to get food. After we got food, I was supposed to drop her back off, but before dropping her off to the city, we came to the park.
Yeah. I can't believe you did this.
I love you.
I love you too.
It's really hard for me. Everything's super easy for me, you know that. So I wasn't gonna let it go without doing it. Hope you like it. There you go. This is good enough? Okay. She said yeah.
वाली बात है फिक्र किसको है जहाँ की मैं तेरे तू मेरे साथ है तो तुम्हें बन के बेफिकर जरा देख तो इधर मेरी आंखों से सब टेलीकास्ट हो गया जो तूने आंखों से आंखें लड़ाई जो मैंने खींच तेरी पकड़ी कलाई तो दिल मेरा कास्ट हो गया जो तूने चमकीली कुर्ती सिलाई मेरे माइंड में बज गई शहनाई तो दिल मेरा ये दिल मेरा तो दिल मेरा फास्ट हो गया
We really wanted to truly thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts, especially everybody that drove all the way from near and far, Clifton, New Jersey, Mama Junction,
Amarillo, Texas, Dallas, everybody. So thank you guys so much. We really love you guys.